Hey everyone, welcome back into tutorial. In this video I am going to show you one of the easy way to share contact with your friends and family on WhatsApp without going on phone contact list. It is one of the easy way to share contact on WhatsApp. So let's get start to the video. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on a mobile device. Make sure that you are logged in that. Select that chat whom you want to share that contact. Now see at the down one message bar is there. Inside that you can see one paperclip icon. Tap on that. Inside that you can see the different icon are there like gallery, camera, location and all. In that also you can share live location, also you can share it, and also you can create a poll, and you can send a payment and all you can throw in this icon are there, everything are there. But we are trying to send contact, so you can see the contact icon. Tap on that, select that contact which you want to share. Suppose I want to share this, then you can see the arrow icon. Tap on that, again confirm this that you want to share this contact, then again click on arrow. In this way you can send the contact to that person whom you want to share. So if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.